Christmas without a variety of gingerbread is unthinkable. So here is the German version for you. It's called Pfefferkuchen or Lebkuchen, but basically it is the same. Of course, every region and even every family has a different recipe, but here's mine. First, we'll need 250 gram flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon cacao, and 1 package of a spice mix, which I don't like anymore. In Germany, you got these everywhere, so I never considered making this on my own. But I do now, and it tastes lots better. I have the recipe for that in the description below, along with the recipe for the gingerbread itself. Mix that and set aside. In another bowl, add your 250 gram sugar and 3 eggs and mix that until it gets all white and fluffy. Then you can pour 125 milliliters milk together with 125 milliliters oil into this. After that, you can add the flour mix and mix it until it is fully incorporated. Don't stir it more than it is necessary. Pour the dough into a baking tray of your choice and off to the oven. Bake this classic at 170 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. Depending on the size of your baking tray, this might take a bit longer, as your dough might be thicker. German gingerbread without a coating is, for me at least, unthinkable. So once it has cooled off, I prepare an icing with some powdered sugar and lemon juice. I always eyeball this amount here, as the lemons just don't have enough juice sometimes, and even the powdered sugar can be different at times. Pour that over the gingerbread and spread it evenly. If you don't like icing, you don't need to use this. You can spread some dark chocolate onto this as well. I advise you to do either, because in that way the cake is sealed off and can develop its flavor better. Speaking of flavor, let this rest at least a day before eating it. The spices will need a bit more time to ripen in the cake, and I like mine best when they're about 2 days old. Well, this was day 17 of our advent calendar. The recipe is as usual in the description below. Subscribe if you don't want to miss day 18 tomorrow. Thank you for watching.